S15 is built for life on the move. That means a slim profile and lightweight. It can fit in your bag seamlessly, ready to go where you go. The design follows closely in the ASUS lineage of class and elegance. The icicle gold finish catches the eye with its shine. Many features are built to save you precious seconds during a hectic day. For example, the integrated fingerprint scanner can log you into Windows 10 instantly. This is thanks to the fast, secure Windows Hello system. The keyboard has been thoughtfully redesigned for simplicity and beauty. Keyboard backlighting makes it easier to use in low light, and a new angle enhances ergonomics. A full suite of inputs keeps you connected to your world. Get access to a bigger screen over full-sized HDMI, transfer photos over the built-in SD card reader, and plug in your most important peripherals over USB 3.1. With the VivoBook S15, you're getting a 15-inch screen in the chassis of a 14-inch laptop. With only 7.8mm bezel on the Nano Edge display and an impressive screen-to-body ratio, you get more display without adding more bulk. A generous viewing angle allows you to comfortably get the whole picture, no matter how or where you're working. ASUS Splendid Color Optimization strikes the perfect tone based on preference and use case. Meanwhile, the true-to-life engine optimizes video frame by frame for smooth performance and crystal clarity. Up to an Intel Core i7 processor and 16GB of RAM meet the performance demands of the modern mobile professional. Discrete NVIDIA GeForce graphics provide extra power when tackling video editing or light gaming. The VivoBook S15 has ample battery life for handling all-day usage. In a pinch, it can charge from 0 to 60% in a mere 49 minutes. The ASUS VivoBook S15, Beyond the Edge. Visit techandstyle.asus.com to learn more. The ASUS VivoBook S15, powered by Intel Core i7 processors.
The HP 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop has the Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 is the best combination of the Windows you already know, plus lots of great improvements you'll love. Technologies like Instant Go let you boot up and resume quickly, everything runs fast and smooth, and Windows 10 devices now have Battery Saver to automatically conserve power, so you can work longer and play harder. For total confidence, Windows 10 helps you stay up to date, and has more built-in security features than ever. This laptop also comes with Intel Pentium N3710 quad-core processor with max turbo technology. The 4GB DDR3 SDRAM system memory gives you the power to handle most power-hungry applications and tons of multimedia work. Its 500GB SATA hard drive can store 333,000 photos, 142,000 songs or 263 hours of HD video, and more. While the 15.6-inch HD 1366 by 768 LED backlight touchscreen display with 10 points touch. The Intel HD graphics comes with 1,792 MB dedicated graphics memory, and the Super Multi-DVD burner allows you to watch movies, and read and write CD and DVD in multiple formats, reads and writes to a wide variety of media formats, including DVD, CD, DVD RAM and double-layer DVD. The fast Ethernet wireless LAN connect to a broadband modem with wired Ethernet or wirelessly connect to a Wi-Fi signal or hotspot with the 802.11b/g/n connection built into the laptop. The HP 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop also has front-facing VGA webcam with integrated digital microphone, multi-in-one card reader, full-size island-style keyboard with numeric keypad, 1 DC-in port, 1 Ethernet port, 1 HDMI port, 1 headphone or microphone jack, 1 USB 2.0 port, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. It has 3-cell lithium-ion battery, up to 5 hours of battery life. The long-lasting battery life gives you all day to access your photos, videos, music, and documents, while it weighs 5.05 pounds. The thin design of this laptop lets you easily take on the road. One problem with the HP 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop is that its battery does not keep a charge because of all its pre-installed apps. Also, the DVD and CD burning takes too many twists and turns. The touchscreen is subject to turn off whenever it feels like it. If these few problems are not important to you, the HP 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop is still a very good product, and you'll enjoy it for a long time.